Hello everyone, welcome to our new vlog. Today we are going to our bill. Here is our national crop of our country Bangladesh, and here is the grass which are eat given by cow, and this is the local channel, of our main river. You can see that we are in fronting of our local river, and this is the side channel of main river. This is the ripe crop of stick of jute. You can see the full scenario of afternoon. The other side are all be cleared. They are cut the full of crop and melting under the water. The beautiful scenery of afternoon you can see. The water will grow day by day. After some day it fulfill in this locate and depth minimum 1 meter. Here you can see some small fish under the water, which I can't capture on my video. The good scenery of our village. This nice. This is the fish catching net. You can see that the fish go to the net. Very long net. Wonderful place to spending some time in nature. Very beautiful scenery. You can see that here. And the path of this line, this is very beautiful. Some local boys are enjoying their scenery. Here is the jute. You can see that they are grow and cut in the water for ripening this. This process are very hard. The nice weather. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Please subscribe the channel for more nature video and relaxing videos. Thanks for watching.